Can I shorten the Dolphin Triton cable? It does not have a swivel, and I need half of the 60 feet to make untangling it easier.
The long and short answer to that question is I wouldn't mess with it in any way, shape, or form. They make them that way as standard. I would leave it that way for several reasons. Number one, you start cutting into that line and you're going to potentially have all kinds of issue, because now we're dealing with voltage in water is one thing. Also, if you shorten that cable, you're potentially changing the voltage requirement to the unit itself. And I don't know if the unit runs specifically and that 60 foot of cable is required or not, but I certainly would not recommend doing it. Find another way of keeping that cord somehow untangled some other way, and I couldn't tell you how to do that, but I wouldn't mess with the cord.